guys, what's up? Welcome back to our
channel.
So we are on our way to pick up Chris's check. Chris is my husband. I feel like I say that all the time. And we're gonna go cash it, and then we're gonna see what today brings. She's in a bad mood
Because of Roblox.
because of the game Roblox, and I do not know how to play it. I don't know what I'm doing whenever she hands it to me. But anyways, yeah, we're on the way to get his check, and then we're gonna go cash it and probably get something to eat depending on how much it is, because struggle's real, but it's fine. Right?
It's all good.
You gotta speak up. You gotta speak up.
Well, baby, you know I can't drive and look into that thing at the same time. I can't multitask.
There you go. Okay, guys, so we're gonna bring you guys along with us today. It's just like a sweet little vlog that I thought we'd do, just so that way, I don't know, can just come along with us. But we'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, y'all, so Chris went in to cash his check. We owe somebody $300, so we're gonna go pay them first, because struggle has been real, you guys, but everything's okay. Hold on, she has a booger. Yeah, but everybody was sick in our house, so we missed so much work. It's been real life, you guys, but it's okay. And I hope all of you guys that end up watching this channel are just so happy and healthy. And don't forget to subscribe down below. But we're about to go get some food, and here he comes. Hopefully they cashed it. Did they cash it? Yeah, did they cash it?
Yeah.
Where are we going to eat?
Man, nope. I'm not picking. Where are we going, women? Females?
Just something cheap. I don't want to spend too much money. You can go to get fries and
Not McDonald's.
whatever, just somewhere. Look at these. They're the bomb.
Huh?
They're baked, and they don't taste as salty as the other ones. I'm obsessed.
Hold on, okay?
So you guys better try these. They're really good. We hope you are having a great day. How's our day, you think?
It's alright, but I'm getting hungry.
Yeah, we haven't eaten, and it's already 1:22. Oh, heck no. And we pull up to Sonic, and their drive-through, or what is this called? Where you park? Where you park?
The pull-up.
The pull-up thing where you park and eat, it's closed because they say they don't have a lot of, due to what? Limited stuff. So now we're stuck and we can't pull out. See? Yes. So where are we going now?
Where do you want to go?
I don't know. Because this line's going
You
to
want
take
to go somewhere
forever.
else?
You can't pull out, huh?
Yeah.
She's waiting on you.
No, she can't pull out.
Where are, baby? They're closed, my love. Of course, Jazzy don't understand.
Let's go get fries.
Come on, we're gonna get fries. Say, put on Wendy. We came to Carl's Jr. to eat, y'all.
I might get some fries.
You move your hand. You what?
I might get some fries.
You're gonna get some fries? I got a hot ham and cheese. I got a shake. To drink. What?
What's my drink?
You're gonna share with Daddy. We have a drink in the car. It's good. Don't drop it. Take another bite of whipped cream.
Very good. Get more right.
Take a drink.
I'm not drinking.
It's not come out?
No. Can you
Let me see.
Doggy. Bye. What?
Try now. Take a drink. Yeah, it's nice, huh? It's good?
Yeah, I do. Can I get a bite? Can I get a bite?
Mm-hmm. Jazzy, you're making a mess. You gotta drink it from right here. From the straw. You gotta drink it from the straw. Y'all, we wanted to come out for a walk. Uh-oh, let's watch this. And we brought our dog. We don't know what we're doing.
Hello.
Look, babe, get that from her.
Dixie, get you some Dixie.
Made a friend. You see, Jazzy? You see that? How do you? Is there a way you can like? Is there a way you can like?
What? We're gonna go look at this turtle in the creek.
Boy.
Come on, people. Uh-huh.
She ate her treat all the way up. There's a big dog coming, so I'm scared the dog's gonna attack her. Come on, I get you.
There's a real big turtle over here.
Oh.
Where did you see that?
Here, stand. Come with Mama. Don't.
Come on.
Man, we need to bleach for Jasmine Candy.
Tell her to go right here. That way she's not gonna fall.
Just don't fall in the water, Jasmine. I got this.
Good, huh? Here, let me take it. Second for this. Y'all, we came out to walk Dixie, and there's a big old German Shepherd dog. By the way, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You have to remind them, right, guys? Tell them this is what we want to do, so we're gonna do it. But yeah, there's a big dog coming. Is it coming this way, or is it going back that way? Oh, there they go. We're scared that she's gonna get Dixie.
I'm up here.
I should have brought my microphone.
I'm up here, Mama.
You're up there?
I'm up here.
Be careful, baby. Hold on. Oh, I'm trying to zoom in. Look at it.
Big old turtle. Go get it, Los. I'll give you $1.
Los, don't do that to that turtle. Oh, look how big that turtle is. That's good.
Ready?
Y'all, that's a snapping turtle.
It is, ain't it?
I think
Yeah, look
so,
at his
because
tail.
you see his...
You see his tail?
Get my dog. Ooh.
You see his tail?
Alligator snapping turtle.
Get Dixie.
Lift him up or he eat you.
Where's the ducks? It's waiting on the ducks. It's like, come here. I have it zoomed in, y'all. My bad.
Yeah, that's an alligator snapping turtle.
What?
What's that song? And they waddled away. Waddle, waddle.
That's the one with the green on the
That's cute. What?
You see that duck with the...
Hell no. They flew away whenever you got down there. Those birds flew away when Chris went down there. Baby, watch her. Here she comes. That was funny. He's probably over there trying to mess with that turtle. Y'all, there's a snake by those baby ducks. Y'all see that snake right there? And there's baby ducks over there.
Grab by the head.
There's baby ducks.
Baby ducks.
You see that snake? What? Should we get away from that thing?
Mama!
What? It looks like it's gonna fly this way.
I know.
Be careful. I feel like we should get away from it. I'm watching you, snake.
I know, Mama.
Be careful, Jazz. Nah, that's like a water snake, huh?
Yeah, that's a lot.
Either a grass snake or a water snake.
Watch it be like so venomous. Thank you, little babies. Here, give me. Bee! What? He's mean to me.
They got a mango guava one and like a raspberry lime. I'm not advertising for this. I'm not a Price is Right mom.
That's
You're
Starbucks?
funny.
It's
Yeah,
got a weird
Starbucks.
taste, but it's good. So I chew
I wouldn't
gum when
drink it. Ugh.
I chew gum when I drink coffee.
You want me get it, Mama? She's
Yeah,
struggling. Okay, you guys, we finally made it home, but I have to freaking run back to the store. I just wanted to make an outro to this video and tell everybody I hope you have an amazing rest of the day. And please make sure you subscribe to our channel, and we would really appreciate it. We're gonna keep bringing you guys content because this is what, I don't know, we just love doing this. And we will see you guys on our next video. Bye, guys.